English idioms about love. Fall in love. You probably know the expression fall in love. We use the verb fall when we begin to love another person. From the moment she kissed me, I fell in love with her. To make this expression even stronger, we can fall head over heels in love with someone. This means the love we feel is very strong. The love is so strong that we flip, and our head goes over our heels. It was only our third date, but I could feel myself falling head over heels for her. We can also be head over heels in love with someone. Russell is head over heels in love with Tessa. He never stops talking about how great she is. We can also fall in love at first sight. This means that as soon as you see someone, you feel like you already know them, and you love them instantly. I saw Jennifer across the dance floor wearing a yellow dress, and it was love at first sight. Love is blind. This expression means that when you really love someone, you are blind to their flaws or imperfections. We only see what we want to see. I think that Amanda could find a better guy to marry than Trevor, but I guess love is blind. Love makes the world go round. Love is a powerful and important force that motivates almost everything we do. We need less negativity in the world and more love. Love makes the world go round. Love-hate relationship. This expression is used to describe a person or a situation that you like and dislike at the same time. There is a good part and a bad part of the same item. The city has a love-hate relationship with tourists now. It's great that they come and spend money in the city, but they are often loud and leave lots of trash in the street. Puppy love. This is often used to describe the affection that young people feel for one another but is not serious. It is a feeling that will pass. They met at school, but it's only puppy love. I don't think it's very serious. Take my breath away. If someone takes your breath away, it means you feel so great when you see them that it is hard to breathe. The person is really special. Olivia took my breath away the first moment I saw her. To have a crush on someone. To like someone. To think they're attractive and nice. Melanie asked me if you had a girlfriend. I think she has a crush on you. You should ask her out. Idioms that mean asking someone to marry you. Pop the question. During our vacation to the beach, I decided to pop the question. Get down on one knee. I got down on one knee and gave her the ring. She started crying tears of joy and said yes. Idioms that mean getting married. Tie the knot. Nicholas and Judith tied the knot last April. Settle down with someone. Bruce turned 32 last week. I think it's time for him to settle down and get married before it's too late. Be sure to check out the blog post that supports this video for more love idioms and natural example sentences. You'll find a link in the video description.